Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just stopping by, I feel crooked. Anywho, if you're new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed. And we just do a mismatch of all sorts of random things here on my channel, but if that could potentially be something you like, you should subscribe. I do have a couple of videos linked down below, as well as my Instagram, that I think you guys might enjoy if you'd like to check those out. And today, you already know from the title, I just want to hang out, do our makeup, and dance, and listen to some good music, because YouTube kind of sucks. You guys can't listen to the same thing I'm listening to, but I have Amazon Music, and I'm just kind of flipping through here. I don't really like Christmas music, so I'm probably going to hit today's list station or my soundtrack station, which is, I'm pretty sure that's personalized to every person, like what kind of stuff you search and listen to the most. But we're not going to do anything fancy today. I'm simply trying to get ready. We're going to play around a little bit maybe, but super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you do. And I'm going to stop rambling. Let's get into it. So this is what we came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, you know, did your makeup with me while we danced and goofed off and had fun. I hope your makeup turned out good. Mine went. I'm about to go put on a hoodie because I'm already wearing James's t-shirt and his sweatpants. I'm about to go put on a hoodie and some socks and steal his slides and go pick up my kid. Luckily my parents are used to me showing up like this, but it's okay. I really like how this look came out. It's like very red and burgundy and fun, and it honestly, to be completely honest, it reminds me of Christmas. It's the red. But I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you did, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.